Hi, Scott doing at MarineMax here in Lewisville, Texas. We're going to take a look at a brand new Harris Grand Mariner 250 with a Mercury 400 on it. All right, so 250 Grand Mariner. So traditional bench seats up around the front. New perforated vinyl. They've done some inlays. This is the new interior. Really good looking. It's going to help breathe a little bit, and the vinyl is extra soft, and there's a lot of foaming back behind there. So one of the most comfortable pontoon boats you'll ever really sit on. 4 cup holders on either side. Also a double USB port, so USB and USB-C in both sides. In-floor ski locker. So double bimini top, solid cladded power tower. These panels are actually LED lights, so these will light up. Speaking of LEDs, under the seat bases, cup holders, speakers, towers, under the tower, under the rub rail, and underwater in the back. Flip-up table, one of the more popular options all of a sudden. This is the SL-DH floor plan, so SL single lounge, DH dual helm, so twin captain seats. We also have this boat available with an L bench here, if you prefer that. I kind of like the SL-DH though. Nice little console over here, extra speaker, again double USB port, and wireless cell phone charger. Twin screens on the dash, so this does have the Tech Package 2 in it. So Tech Package 2 is going to get you a pair of 7-inch Simrads, pair of subwoofers, upgraded lights all the way around. So really good package. That's what we order all of our Grand Mariners anyway. Flip-flop backrest, new lily pad ladder, 400 horsepower V10, flip over swim seat, stern safety fencing. So absolutely loaded boat. It's got everything you probably want on it. So if you have any questions about this or any other pontoon you see online, pick up the phone and give us a call. We'd love to hear from you.